All right, let's talk about how to install the various tools in Python on your operating system. Now, there are going to be 3 of these videos. There's going to be one for OS X, one for Windows, and one for Linux. You probably only need to look at one. Just choose the operating system that you're currently working on and watch that video. You don't need to watch the Linux one if you're on Windows, for example, unless you just want to sort of see what the experience is like across the different platforms. So with that said, here's the OS X one, and the others will follow. So there's only 2 tools, 2 resources you need to take this class outside the source code on the GitHub repository. One is you're going to need Python 3. Remember, Python 3 does not come on OS X. Python 2.7 does, but Python 3 does not, so you got to install that, as well as PyCharm. So let's go look at these. I pulled up the websites that we're going to be working with. Python.org, this is where we get Python 3. PyCharm over here on JetBrains.com. We're going to download PyCharm here. And I also pulled up the other 3 options. Sublime Text, if you're interested in that. Atom, you got to watch this video. It's very funny. A great little lightweight editor. We'll come over here, download this, click, it defaults to the latest of both Python 2 and Python 3 for your operating system. So we pick this, download, save. I've already done that. So let's go over here and see if I type Python. You'll get something, but you'll see that Python 2.7.10 comes up. If I type Python 3, there's no Python 3. So let's install Python 3 and make sure everything's set up good there. So this is what I got off python.org. Just click through, agree to whatever it's going to make you agree to. Okay, so Python is installed. Let's just try our little trick again. And we can even do a -- version on the end. Excellent. So we have Python 3 installed, and it's the latest version. So that's off to a good start. Next, PyCharm. We can just click download. It gives us a choice between what version do you want. Do you want the professional or the community edition? This is up to you. I love this tool. I paid money for it. I'm getting the professional. The community is free. If you're wondering what the differences are, just come back here to the main PyCharm page and you can see it'll show you that actually the Python features themselves, there's not too much of a difference, but the web development and Python web frameworks and database stuff, that is only in the professional edition. But lucky for you, none of that is actually happening in this class, so you can pick either of these that you wish. Once you have it downloaded, you'll have a DMG disk image here. And I love their little installer. Here's the app. You just drag it over here, wait a moment, and you should have PyCharm installed. Now that it's finished installing, we'll eject that, and we can just run PyCharm. First time it'll warn you, this came off the internet, beware. Yeah, we did that on purpose. Make sure you get it from the right place. And here's PyCharm. I've already run it before, but the first time you run it, it asks you for the settings. I like mine in this dark theme, so everywhere it asks you about colors, there's 2 places. You can say Dracula if you want the same theme as me, or pick another one. The other 2 editors are just Atom. Here's Atom, nice and clean. And Sublime Text. Again, super small, super clean. Let me show you a technique that'll be helpful for opening these projects and basically working with Python projects in general. So here I have request masters. I got this off of GitHub. This is the request package, and this is actually the source code. So here you can see, here's all the Python files. It's like the project base. If I want to open this in PyCharm, I just drop it on here. This is a OS X only feature, but if I drop it like this, it'll open the whole project. You can see here's all the code that we need. You can do a similar thing for Sublime Text, and you can do a similar thing for Atom. So here's all the packages, same thing. So that's a really helpful tip if you're jumping from project to project and you want to just open up this project, open up that after project, open up that before project, and so on. I'm sure you'll find it useful throughout the class. All right, that's it. This OS X system is ready to roll, ready to work on this class. I hope you're ready to go build app number 1.